Hi, my name is Jeff Ryan, and I'm the Science Education Director here at Olympic Educational Service District. I wanted to take a moment to introduce you to the Balance in Motion second grade FOSS kit. And this document that I have in front of me right now is the Washington State Science Standard Alignment document that was produced for this kit, this Balance in Motion kit. This comes to us courtesy of our colleagues at ESD 112. My colleague Mark Watron, a regional science coordinator down there, along with a team of educators, put together these alignment documents. So let me just orient you quickly to this. On the left column here, we have the investigations of the kit. And down this column here, this refers to the particular content standard for ELR 4 in our Washington State standards. And you can see these are the standard language here, and then here is the different 2 and 3 are the different parts of the investigation. So each of the FOSS investigations has different parts. And then you can just see that as the columns just follow out. Either 1, 2, and 3 are all also represented here with these different standards here. For this particular kit, it's a wonderful opportunity to discuss force and motion, and specifically motion for students. Usually the first experiences they'll have, formal experiences in studying these phenomena, and this is a wonderful opportunity for them to make some sense of this. The last column I'd like to show you over here on the right is a column that's uncovering student ideas in science. These are 2 formative assessment probes that are nicely aligned to this instructional material. These come from NSTA Press, National Science Teachers Association Press, and the author is Paige Keeley, and this lists the volume and the page number. Specifically, Rolling Marbles is really nicely aligned with the standards on motion. The next view that I want to show you here is the Balance in Motion conceptual storyline. This is a larger view, if you will, and it shows each of the specific lessons or the parts of the investigations and the concepts that they cover. And it shows it in a progression here, and this progression is broken down from sub-concepts as well. And this is a nice big picture view, so the teacher can help anticipate and understand a little bit of how these concepts are connected together, how they work together. And then from that, this is the Balance in Motion learning progression that was created actually specifically from the standards that align to the motion and also systems. So ELR 4 and then ELR 1. And you can see down at the bottom here the Washington State Science Standards, and this goes specifically to the standards that this kit aligns nicely with. And from these standards here were developed this target curricular aim here. Motion is caused by unbalanced forces acting on an object. Pushing or pulling can be described as a change in position over time. And then here are the other 2. This last one here deals with the system ELR. And then this learning progression then that shows how the development of these ideas, the knowledge and skills students need in order to meet this target curricular aim. And these correspond to the way these ideas, these bits of knowledge and skills develop in the kit. And down below here, these are the specific assessments that teachers use, or assessment questions in many cases, that are both from the FOSS kit and ones that I've developed here to see as the students lead developing this whether or not they have this knowledge. So this is in this resource kit as well.